Investing in cars can be a complex topic, but I will do my best to explain it to you. When you invest in a car, you are essentially purchasing an asset that has the potential to appreciate or depreciate in value over time. In most cases, cars tend to depreciate in value, meaning that they lose value over time due to wear and tear, market conditions, and other factors. However, there are some instances where investing in a car can be a good financial decision. For example, if you purchase a rare or collectible car, it may appreciate in value over time if it is well maintained and in good condition. Additionally, if you use a car for business purposes, such as delivering goods or transporting clients, you may be able to deduct some of the costs of the vehicle from your taxes. When it comes to investing in cars as a business, there are several ways to approach it. One option is to purchase cars to lease or rent out to others, such as for ride-sharing services like Uber or Lyft. This can be a profitable business if managed well, but it also comes with risks, such as accidents or damage to the vehicles. Another option is to invest in companies that manufacture or sell cars, such as automakers or dealerships. This can be done through purchasing stocks, mutual funds, or other types of investments. However, as with any investment, there are risks involved, such as changes in market conditions, competition, or unexpected events like natural disasters or political instability. Overall, investing in cars can be a complex and risky endeavor, but with careful research and planning, it can also be a profitable one.